Hello my dear students, I hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to start next exercise 5F, page number 99. So from this exercise we will be doing 4-5 questions, and whatever I will do, that will be your homework. You have to practice that sums at your home because this one is quite difficult. Okay, whatever we are going to do or solve in this exercise 5F, compared to other exercise, these questions are little difficult. So you do one thing, whatever I will solve, you will practice that same question in your home. Okay, so the first question we have, what fraction of 1 kg is 650 grams? Okay, so question is, what fraction of 1 kg is 650 grams? So first you have to know 1 kg is equals to how much grams? 1000 gram. So here, what fraction of 1 kg is 650? So we can make a fraction. So 1 kg means 1000 by 650. Both unit are gram and a gram. So we can cancel this gram. Here we have 1000 by 650. Now again we can cancel this 0 and 0. Then we can reduce this 165 by 5. Okay, so if we divide this 100, 5 to the 10 and this 0, then 5 1 the 5, carry 1, 5 3 the 15. So here we are getting 20 by 13. So this is the answer for the first question. Here once again, what we have to do, we have to convert this kg into a gram. Okay, so I did here. Then we have to make the ratio. Okay, 1000 by 650. So what fraction of 1 kg? So what fraction of 1 kg is 650 grams? So when we reduce this number, we'll get 20 by 13. Fraction of 1 kg is 650 grams. Okay, next question we have, what is the value of 2 by 3 of 1 minute 15 second in second? So here we have to calculate what value, okay, what value of this minute in 1 minute 15 seconds. So first we'll write this solution part. We can simplify this one. 3 was the 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. 5 by 3 of how much minute? 1 minute 15 second. Now we know that 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Okay, 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So here 1 minute 15 seconds. So 1 minute 15 seconds means 60 seconds and 15 seconds. So total how much it will be? 5, 6 plus 1, 7. So how much? 5 by 3 of minute, we can multiply this. 1 minute 15 seconds can be written as 75 seconds. How much? 75 seconds. Because at last we have to calculate in second. Okay, whatever the value we will be calculating, that we have to calculate in terms of second. So that's why I am converting this minute into second. Now we can reduce this 3 and 75. So 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, carry 1, 3 5 the 50. Now we are getting 5 into 25. So if you multiply this 5 into 25, 25 into 5, so 5 5 the 25, 5 carry 2, 5 to the 10 plus 2, 12. So how much we are getting? 125 seconds. Okay, so this is the answer for question number 2. Okay, next question we have, what is the cost? Question number 3. What is the cost of a dress if 8 by 9 of the cost of dress is equal to rupees 2400. That means if the 8 by 9th of the cost is 2400, then what is the total cost? So we have to solution part, we can do that. Let the cost of dress be X. We don't know the actual cost or the exact cost of this dress, but what we know that 8 by 9, we know 8 by 9th of the cost of dress. What is the cost, total cost? X is equals to rupees how much? 2400. Once again listen here, the exact cost or the total cost is not mentioned, only it is mentioned that 8 by 9th of the cost of dress is equal to how much? Rupees 2400. So here we have to consider, let the cost of dress be X. Then 8 by 9th of X is equals to how much? Rupees 2400. Now what we'll do that 8 by 9 of X means is equals to 2400. Now here nothing is there, means below a 1. Now we will do cross multiply. Okay, we have to cross multiply this 2. So after this cross multiplying, what we can write that okay, now I am moving from here. So 8 by 9, so 8 into x, 8x will get here, 8x is equals to 9 into 2400. Now here we have to find the exact cost of that dress. So that exact cost is x, or x is equals to 9 into 2400. This 8 will come down. Okay, 8 will come down. So now we can divide. 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24. Here we are getting 9 into 300. So 9 into 300 means 20. 9 threes are 2700. So therefore the cost of a dress is equals to rupees 2700. So this is the answer for question number 3. Okay, last question we have. Menka and Salu ran a 100-meter race. Okay, Menka took 18.1 by 5 second. Salu took 21.3 by 4 second. How much longer time Salu take? Means here the fraction is given. Now from there we have to determine how much longer time the Salu is taking to complete that 100-meter race. Okay, how much longer time? Okay, how much longer time the Salu is taking in comparison with Menka? So we have to here compare the time taken by both. So first, time taken by Menka. We have how much she is taking? She is taking 18.1 by 5. So here we have to write this 18.1 by 5. Or if we simplify this one, 18.5 ja 90 plus 1, 91 by 5 second. Similarly, time taken by Salu equals to 21.3 by 4 second. So if we simplify, we'll get 81 4 84 87. We'll get 87 by 4 second. Okay, now we have to next step. Now we have to find how much longer time, the longer time taken by Salu is equals to this time taken by Salu minus time taken by Menaka. So 87 by 4 minus 91 by 5. Now here we have to take the LCM. Okay, so we have to take LCM. So LCM of 4 and 5 we have 20. How much LCM will get? We'll get 20. So I am doing directly 20. Now what we have to do, that we have to divide this 20 by 4. So if you divide this 20 by 4, it will go 5 times. 5 into whatever we have in the numerator, 87 minus. Next again we have to divide this 20 by 5. So it will go 4 times. 4 into 91. Now next step what we'll do, that will multiply 87 into 5. 87 into 5. 7 5 is 35, 5 carry 3. 8 5 is 40 plus 3, 43. So we are getting 435 minus, again here 91 into 4. 4 1s are 4, 9 4s are 36. So we are getting 364 by, we have here 20. Now what we'll do, that we'll subtract 435 minus 364. So 5 minus 4 1, here you have to carry 1. 13 minus 6 7. So we are getting 71 by 20. Now if you divide this 71 by 20, we can see that 23 is a 60, remaining 11. So here we can write it 23 by 11 second. So she is taking how much longer time compared to Menaka? Salu is taking 11 by 20 seconds longer than the time taken by Menaka. So this is the end of this chapter. In next class I will start next chapter.